Welcome to the world of coding, where creativity meets innovation. If you're looking to take your coding skills to the next level, you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to introduce you to a game-changing language that will revolutionize your coding journey, JavaScript. So what is JavaScript? Simply put, JavaScript is a high-level programming language that allows you to create interactive and dynamic web pages. It is the magic behind the scenes that makes websites come alive, from animations to responsive designs. JavaScript is used by millions of websites and applications, including some of the most popular ones like Google Maps, Facebook, and Netflix. It's the language of choice for web development, and its versatility and flexibility makes it a must-know skill for any aspiring coder. Knowing JavaScript can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities, from front-end development to full-stack engineering. With the demand for skilled JavaScript developers on the rise, having the skill in your toolkit can give you a competitive edge in the job market. So, are you ready to unlock the power of JavaScript and take your coding career to new heights? In this series, we will take you on a journey to learn JavaScript from scratch, covering the basics, advanced concepts, and real-world applications. Let's get started and see where JavaScript can take you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.